What's up, YouTube?
I'm Diana.
I'm Andrew.
And we are
Diandrew.
Hey, yo guys! What is up sa inyo? So for today's vlog, we will be going to Precious Angel Dreamcare kasi meron tayong facial treatment, meron tayong diamond peel treatment at VLift Thermage treatment for toning and tightening. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami, papakita namin sa inyo yung location on how to get to Precious Angel Dreamcare. Good afternoon pala. Good afternoon. Hi, madam. Good afternoon. Kamusta naman?
Hi, you.
Okay lang.
Ang pa-fill up na lang po. I'll check muna your temperature. Okay.
Okay, so pagdating nyo dito, i-check nila yung thermal temperature nyo. And then, meron kayong i-scan dito para sa health declaration kasi i-check yun ng may-ari or nung staff dito. And after nun, mag-fill up kayo ng form nila para sa inyong consultation and yung mga information.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Den. Tayo mag-feel later.
Andito na tayo mga sis and sisimulan na yung aking diamond peel treatment with Thermage. So, let's go. First time kong magpa-Thermage. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa aking mukha. So, we will see later and tara samahan niyo akong magpa-facial treatment. Let's go! First step, cleansing. For the dirt to be removed on the skin and for the products to properly penetrate the skin. Next, applying moisturizer all over your face to prepare for the steam. Next, steam. Here goes the steam, which will last for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is necessary for your pores to open up So when they prick it, it will be easily done and for other products to be easily absorbed by your skin. After steam, vacuum. To suction up blackheads and whiteheads, also to easily do the facial pricking procedure. The next step is one of the most painful thing that you can experience when you're going in a facial salon, which is pricking. This is where the blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples are getting popped on your face. After the process of pricking, next, laser. After facial cleaning, we're going to proceed to diamond power peel. First step, hot hammer, relaxing the muscles, improving and stimulating the blood circulation and opening the pores. Second step, microdermabrasion has a diamond tip handpiece designed to gently exfoliate dead cells in your skin. At the same time, it will suction them off immediately. Deeply exfoliates and removes impurities for glowing skin. Third step, ultrasonic. To penetrate deep below the surface of the skin, promoting cellular renewal and repair, improving skincare product penetration. The last step, the cold hammer, to close the pores and softening the skin, especially on the treated area. VLift Thermage treatment. Tightening sagging skin, wrinkle reduction, lifting the cheeks, enhancing jawline definition. The duration of interval treatment, at least 7 to 10 days, advisable, depends the skin of the patient. Next, the collagen serum. Reduce signs of aging by plumping fine lines and wrinkles, to help repair connecting tissues when you age. Then the last step, the collagen treatment mask. The hydration penetrates deep below the surface of the skin, providing skin rejuvenation. After 10 minutes, tatanggalin na nila yung aking collagen mask and dilinisan na nila yung aking face. And then last procedure, ayan, so minamassage na nila yung aking face. This is my favorite part pag nagpapa-facial. So that's it guys. So ipapakita ko ngayon yung before and after ng face ko. Ayan, so tapos na tayo sa ating treatment for today. And ayan si Madam Precious. So, yung mga tiga dito sa Macau, so please don't forget to pass by dito sa Precious Angel Dreamcare. Dito yan sa may Ginza Plaza sa second floor. And ililink down ko na lang yung exact location and yung mobile number and for appointment sila, okay? So, wag nyo kakalimutan, tumawag muna pagka pupunta kayo dito kasi for appointment sila. Ayun. So, maraming salamat, Madam Precious. Napasaya mo ako, lalo na si Andrew. Grabe, besh. Pumuti yung kanyang yung ilong talaga niya. Ayun. So, again, thank you po. Thank you. Salamat. Hindi tayo pwede magbeso ngayon kasi social distancing.